Firefighting activities are a dangerous endeavor that depends on reliable and actionable information to achieve optimal results and ultimately save lives, property, and the environment. However, in environments where temperatures can rapidly surpass the 1,000 Fahrenheit mark, it is no easy task to obtain the information necessary to prioritize firefighting efforts in a safe and effective manner. The integration of drone technology supports firefighters by elevating situational awareness, developing a common operating picture, allows IC to make informed decisions regarding strategies and tactics, enhancing search and rescue capabilities, and optimizing post-fire damage assessments. Be it for fires that occur in buildings, vehicles, forests, or grasslands, drones have already established themselves as a highly useful and reliable tool for all kinds of scenarios that firefighters may encounter. Aqualine Drones is at the forefront of the development of specialized drones for firefighting and search and rescue missions, delivering smart and innovative frameworks for all operational sizes and needs. By developing our enterprise-class solutions to help mitigate the strain on fire departments, improve the safety of firefighters operating on the fire ground, and significantly increase the likelihood of successful outcome.
It's all about obtaining valuable and actionable data. Our drones rely on a combination of AI-powered automation, cloud technology, advanced sensors, and specialized software to provide firefighting teams with life-saving information in real time and enhance the overall effectiveness of hazardous operations. Our solution consists of 3 components: our proprietary drone equipped with a dual RGB IR camera, a customized control room for easy access to integrated insights, and a specialized app for controlling drone deployment when operating on the fire scene. AD's integrated solution framework allows for fully coordinated drone operations to deliver heightened situational awareness by aggregating data from multiple UAVs into a centralized operational platform.
Situational awareness is a vital factor during firefighting operations, which involves perceiving, processing, and foreseeing highly dangerous scenarios. Understanding the current environments and being able to anticipate future problems is paramount to maintaining safety. Drones greatly assist in obtaining valuable information that supports critical decision-making and ultimately saves lives. With the ability to see through thick smoke, detect hotspots, and illuminate scenes with floodlights, drones improve firefighting capabilities and can provide structural integrity assessments in near real time. Overall, drone-assisted scene monitoring enables firefighters to reach inaccessible and high-risk locations with reduced human exposure, especially in situations that involve hazardous materials. Search and rescue operations during fire events are challenging and time-sensitive, with drones being ideal tools for supporting rescue teams as they cover vast areas during wildfires or pinpointing the location of people in burning buildings, be it day or night. By obtaining data from high-temperature environments and delivering aid kits or emergency equipment, drones can significantly reduce human exposure to risk. Moreover, fleet deployment capabilities can also be of enormous assistance in scenarios that require scattered teams to cover irregular stretches of land or multi-story buildings. The pairing of drone technology and remote sensing techniques is a perfect tool for conducting post-fire surveys to reveal the extent of impact caused to natural landscapes or man-made structures. With elevated accuracy when compared to satellite imagery, drone-based inspections reduce risk exposure for ground teams and are a preferred tool for conducting damage assessments. They also aid in arson investigation, after-action reporting, and debriefing.
The world of intelligent, state-of-the-art drones supporting firefighting efforts has arrived, with a broad solution base already being fully available to fire departments across the country. Aqualine Drones offers a pioneering solution for leveraging reliable aerial support during fire events with a high degree of automation, integration, and flexibility. Our solutions enable real-time data analysis and enhanced decision-making for all kinds of firefighting scenarios. How can we help take your firefighting operations to the next level? Contact us at Aqualine Drones to learn more.